My name is Chloe, and welcome to Cardinal Oak's 3 to 6 online story time. Are you ready for a sixth story? This book is called Elmer by David McKee. This over here is Elmer. Do you know which animal Elmer is? Yes, you're right. Elmer is an elephant. And Elmer is very colorful. He has many different colors. He also has a patchwork. Do you see all the squares? Together they form a patchwork. Let's see what Elmer, the patchwork elephant, is up to. There once was a herd of elephants. Elephants young, elephants old, elephants tall, and elephants short, elephants fat and thin. All were different, but all were happy, and most all were the same color. All except Elmer. Elmer was not elephant color. He was patchwork. Elmer was yellow and orange and red and pink and purple and blue and green and black and white. It was Elmer who kept the other elephants happy. Their games and jokes were always his idea. If an elephant was laughing, the cause was usually Elmer. But Elmer himself wasn't happy. Whoever heard of a patchwork elephant? He thought. No wonder they laugh at me. One morning, just as the others were waking up, Elmer slipped away. As he walked through the jungle, Elmer met other animals. Good morning, Elmer, they said. After a long walk, Elmer found what he was looking for. A large bush covered with elephant-colored berries. Elmer caught a hold of the bush and shook it until all the berries fell on the ground. Then Elmer lay down and rolled over on the berries, this way and that. He picked up bunches of berries and rubbed himself all over until he was covered in berry juice. When he had finished, there wasn't a sign of any yellow, or orange, or red, or pink, or purple, or blue, or green, or black, or white. Elmer looked like any other elephant. On his way back through the jungle, Elmer passed the other animals. Good morning, elephant, they said. When Elmer rejoined the herd, none of the other elephants noticed him. As he stood there, Elmer felt that something was wrong. But what? He looked around. Same old jungle, same old blue sky, same old rain cloud, and same old elephants. The other elephants were standing absolutely still, silent and serious. Elmer had never seen them so serious before. It made him want to laugh. Finally, he could bear it no longer. He lifted his trunk and at the top of his voice shouted, "Boo!" eyes. Elmer was helpless with laughter. Then the others began to laugh. Too bad Elmer isn't here to share the fun, they said, laughing harder and harder. And then the rain cloud burst. When the rain fell on Elmer, his patchwork started to show again. "Oh, Elmer," gasped an old elephant as Elmer was washed back to normal. "You've played some good jokes, but this has been the biggest laugh of them all. What would we do without you?" "We must celebrate this day every year," said another. "The day of Elmer's best joke." "All of us elephants will decorate ourselves in his honor," said a third. "And Elmer will decorate himself in elephant color." And one day each year, the elephants color themselves yellow or orange or red or pink or purple or blue or green or black or white and have a parade. If you happen to see an elephant in the Elmer's Day Parade who is ordinary elephant color, you will know it must be Elmer. Friends, I have someone here. Let me show you. Look! This is Elmer from our story. Do you remember him? But what happened over here? I see the patchwork, but all the colors are missing. Can you help me to return Elmer's colors? Let's see, I have some markers in different colors. Let me show you my colors and I'll just pick one out. Okay. What color is this? It's green. Let's give Elmer some green. Color, color, color. Elmer has some green. Let's find another color. Pick one. My favorite color. It's pink. Pink is my favorite color. Let's color his ear a little bit. Pink, pink ear for Elmer. Now Elmer has two colors already. He has green and pink. But I'm sure that Elmer would like some more colors, so let's see. Ooh, it's yellow. Yellow like the sun. Let's color this square next to the green one. Do you remember which color I'm using right now? Yes, you're right. I used yellow. Okay, so we have green, pink, and yellow. But I have more colors. I have... What's this? It is purple. Purple, purple, purple. Do you like purple? I like purple. Very pretty. Mr. Elmer. Okie dokie. I have green, pink, yellow, and purple. You're right. Let's see. Another color for me. I have blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue for me and blue for you. Okie dokie. So we have green, pink, yellow, purple, and blue. I also have It's red, just like my shirt. You see, it's the same color. Red and red. Red and red, red and red. Color, color, color. Okie dokie. We have green, pink, yellow, blue, purple, and red. I have 2 more colors. This is orange. Orange, orange, orange. An orange square. Ta-da! We have green, pink, orange, blue, red, and purple. And now I have one last color. I wonder if you can recognize this color. Do you know which color this is? Yes, it is black. I have a black marker. Black, black, black. Ta-da! Elmer has many, many colors now. He has green and pink and red and orange and blue and purple and green and black and white. He has many, many colors. Thank you, friends, for helping me and helping Elmer to get some color back. Now, dear parents, I want to show you something. This is an elephant I drew, very similar to the one I just showed you. You can draw one for your child and then you can color it in together and go over the different colors and their names. Next week, I will tell you a story about a crocodile who is scared of water. So friends, thank you for joining me with Elmer by David McKee. So, thank you for joining Cardinal Oaks 3 to 6 online story time. And I'll see you next week.